Pull Newt back again. Anyways, today I have a broken pull light. I need to replace it. Now, the first time pull owner, you might actually think this is one of those tasks that frankly is a little bit risque, electricity and water. But I'm here to show you today that switching a pull in the pool, switching out a light in the pool is just as mundane as switching a light inside the house. So hopefully by the end of this video you should be feeling pretty confident and fairly underwhelmed. So let's go ahead and get going. Really, step one is the most important step of the entire operation, and that is to cut power to the circuit breaker. So I've got one labeled here pull light, and I've went ahead and turned it off. So I'm ready to avoid getting shocked. Now I'm going to make my way back here through the landmine field and back in. Then what you're going to see here is the actual pull light itself. So see if I can get in a little bit closer here, but typically what you're going to see on all these is there's going to be about 1 or 2 screws that hold the actual cover in place. Now it's usually just for mine it's going to be a little Phillips screwdriver, but to be able to take this off you're just going to, there's 1 or 2 methods. One, get your butt in the pool and unscrew it, but I'm going to try to do the hang my head over the edge method in an attempt to try to stay dry as much as possible. So I've only got 1 screw here at the very top, and then hopefully we can see that. And then once I get that loose, I'll be able to take the cover off and then hopefully just take out the light bulb. And you'll see why. Alright. Had to get a switch screwdriver. Now make sure you hold on to the screw, but then you'll be switching methods. This is what we have. You can see it's in this nice enclosure. This is the actual electricity cable. And now what you're going to see here is another little screw that we've got to untighten in order to get to the actual bulb itself. Alright, try to grab some pliers real quick. I'm going to hold that nut in place such that I can actually get to the bulb itself. As you can see, that's it. That's the bulb. That's the damn thing that costs an arm and a leg. Just so that 1 or 2 times a year kids decide they want to be nice with it. So, alrighty. It's actually really dry in there. If it's not, maybe have some other things of concern, but right now I need to go purchase another one of these and then put everything back together. Alrighty, so got my new bulb. Now we just reverse the process, put everything back together.
That, my friends, is how you change a full light bulb. The real test is yet to come. I gotta flip it on. And then I'm gonna throw the pulls. Then what you do is you throw your children in the night to make sure you're not gonna get shocked. So, went ahead and just restore power back to the breaker, and it's the ultimate test. So, that, folks, is how you change a light bulb. I'm going to go ahead and try to put some link down, maybe some light bulbs for you guys on Amazon if you want to support me. Other than that, thanks for watching.